Want to program a key fob for your 2005-2007 Ford 500? It's a simple DIY process. No special tools are needed. This process involves RF synchronization, where the key fob transmits a unique code to the vehicle's body control module, BCM. You can program up to 4 fobs. If your fob's battery is dead, replacing it is essential for the programming to work. Replacements are available on Amazon or eBay for $10 to $30. Now let's program it. Get inside the car and ensure you have the key and a new key fob to program. No special tools are needed. Step 1. Insert the key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Step 2. Turn the key from off to on 3 times in rapid succession within 10 seconds, leaving it in the on position on the 3rd turn. Step 3. Within 20 seconds of the 3rd on turn, press any button on the key fob. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm successful programming. Step 4. If you have additional fobs, repeat Step 3 for each fob. Step 5. Finally, turn the key to the off position to exit programming mode. Now test each fob to ensure it works correctly. If it fails, double-check the battery and repeat the process. If problems persist, a mechanic is advised.